Andy Warhol came to me and said, Mr. Finkelstein, when I was a poor man and I was just starting out, I could not afford to pay rent for a studio and an apartment. So I lived in my studio and I suffered. And the landlord came to me and said, get the hell out. So I went to a lawyer and I said, what should I do? And the lawyer said, you better start packing. Now I'm in a situation where fortunately fate has treated me very well. Got a little more worldly goods. And I own a building which has a studio in an apartment. And there's a young man, just as I was, a struggling young artist who can't afford the rent for two places. So he's living in the studio. And I come to him and I say, I'm very sorry, but I really need the studio for myself. Could you please arrange to find other quarters and move out? And he says to me, get the hell out. Now, Mr. Finkelstein, what I would like to know from you is, does it ever get to be my turn? Fortunately, that was before the loft law came in. I was successful in finally getting the apartment for Mr. Warhol. But we treated the tenant very gently. We gave him more than 6 months, probably closer to a year to adjust and to move out. Finally, we were able to ease him out of the place without too much turmoil. So I said to Andy, and when I finished the case, Andy, everybody tells me I'm such a ham. He says, you are. So I said, well, if I'm such a ham, why ain't I in the movies? And he said, beats the hell out of me. Come on down, I'll put you in the same next picture. Unfortunately for me, I never took him up on that. I think I should have. I always wondered about that.